Boeing is one of Canada's largest aerospace composite manufacturers. Employing over 1,600 people over 2 Winnipeg locations, they are responsible for over 1,000 parts and assemblies. As leader of industry, Boeing is committed to giving back to communities they serve.
Well, it's important for Boeing to have a presence out in the community because we can't just employ people here and build parts. We need to reach out and help the community grow, help with the education system, and help our employees communicate and connect in the community.
Collectively, through our corporate giving and our employee giving and our volunteerism with our employees, we do numerous activities in the community. One in particular is our United Way campaign, which we have over 80 volunteers within the company. We gave over $118,000 this year. Our employees rallied together. One other program that we worked with at Salome Mission is with our Lean group. They went down and did a Lean activity, 5S, their basement, helped them organize all the products that come in there, all the donations that come in, clothing, food, and help them streamline their process so that they're better to serve the community.
Silo Mission has been around for 27 years. We're an inner city soup kitchen, meal center, health center. We're sort of a one-stop shop for homelessness and people in crisis. Boeing is a partner of ours. They're a sponsor. They started sponsoring our employment training program. Then they moved into our meal program. And lately they've been giving us their Lean team to help us redevelop and redesign our basement and our facilities so that we can maximize our efficiencies and our storage. The cost of having that many engineers and that many staff come in and redesign our basement, we never could afford to pay for. We could never have done it without them. As a matter of fact, we wouldn't even have had the skill set or the talent to even think about doing it without them.
One of the other major things we're quite proud of is our engagement with the Composites Innovation Center. 11 years ago or so, we helped them get established here in Winnipeg and have utilized their capabilities through time. And it's really rewarding to see it in the community now, helping other businesses get the capabilities and support they need.
Boeing has been engaged with the CIC since we started up in 2003. There was a small group of business people from the community that started and looked at how to implement a composites cluster in Manitoba. And Mark Ross, the general manager of Boeing at the time, was a major player and leader of that group. And he then became the chairman of the CIC initially and was really very supportive, not only of providing some guidance, but also going with me to solicit funds from some of the government agencies. If Boeing hadn't contributed a check of $10,000 to get us going, I don't think we would have got off the ground.
Every year, Boeing supports over 30 charitable organizations and nonprofit groups, including Sign for Art, Sistema Winnipeg, and Aerospace and Aviation Day in Manitoba.
Having leaders like Boeing step up into the limelight to be a part of making change happen on a big scale in our community is critical to empower other people to want to get involved and do the same. We need all of the leaders to step up. Boeing is always at the forefront of community service and giving back, and that makes for a better community, a stronger community, and a better economy all the way through.
We're very pleased that CME has created this community recognition award. Terry and I work hard at trying to make sure that the company and our corporate citizenship is out there in the community, and it's an honor and humbling to have been selected as the first company to receive this prestigious award.
Congratulations to Boeing Canada Winnipeg for receiving the 2015 CME Community Contribution Award.